episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something special from Asha of Taiwan. This is their Meteor noodle, and it's their variety with hot and sour sauce. There's three of them. There's one with fried sauce, hot and sour sauce, and braised beef sauce, which can be done as a dry or a soup. This will be a dry variety, although it does look kind of soupy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm following the directions. Yeah. But it takes a few minutes to cook. So I'm pretty sure the braised one, yeah, the braised one is actually going to come out tomorrow in my temporal universe. So if you want to see that one, you can look it up. At least I think that's what's going to happen. So, yeah. I forgot a number. What do you mean, Ramen Raider? What do you mean you forgot a number? Well, basically, I order my reviews by review number. And I didn't do a review 4606. It just like went 605 to 607. I don't know why. Not perfect, but you know, that's the deal. But yeah, these noodles, they're called Meteor noodles because they've got, they're not meaty, but they've got like, instead of like a flat noodle, it's like they got a little fin on top. So it's like three, maybe this will help. If I can get that zoomed in for you. Yeah, you can see that. See? Oh wait, I get to do this. If it's doing it. I don't know if it's doing it. But yeah, right. I must apologize. It's like the lag on this is just exquisite. Exquisite lag. Right here? I don't know. I'm not worried about losing time here. Come on, focus on that, sucker. It's just like the speed of my monitor is crap. But yeah, you can kind of see that. See, it's just like a flat noodle with an extra fin on top. And while I'm messing with that, I'm going to make this boil over, which I don't want it to do. There we go. All right, we're on track. But yeah, it's September 28th, 2023. The weather has changed here. It's definitely fall in full swing. Went for a nice walk with my exquisitely beautiful wife this morning. It's nice. It's like all my walking that I've been doing lately, for the most part, has been with her, and I love it. It is really good. And, yeah. So, what's going on? I guess we're going to have a government shutdown. Yep. And that's a thing. People don't like that. The writers are no longer on strike, which is good, but I think the actors still are. So I don't know how well that works out. And Halloween is coming, and we got our Halloween costumes. I'm really curious about that. And the frickin' mailman. Wow. So the mailman likes to go, oh, well, here's a package. I'll leave that in the mailroom. Unless it's like, so if it's International Express or Priority, they leave it at the post office to sign for it. That's way the hell and gone from here. And so they'll just leave a notice saying, oh, you need to come get your package. It's like, it doesn't have, there's no like signature confirmation or anything. They used to just like leave it in the mailroom like they should. So like my buddy Jamie over in the UK sends a package, it ends up in the box. Why? Because it's coming the cheapest rate. So instead, this is coming faster through USPS, and guess what? They make it take an extra day because they want me to go sign for it. Yeah. Troubling stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Yeah, hot and sour. This sounds good. I'm doing up this one and the braised beef one all spatial. So we'll see how that goes. I think it'll go well. These guys make some pretty top-notchy stuff. Everybody's curious about the top 10 Taiwanese list. I haven't even gotten there yet. It's been a tumultuous past while, and it's like I'll get to it pretty quick, but I want to make sure that everybody gets a fair shake on it and gets in there before the cutoff. Usually I've got the list out by now. I've got to do the Taiwan list. I got to do the spicy list. There's going to be new stuff on the spicy list. New stuff on the Taiwan list too, that's for sure. What else? I usually do the US list. There might be a couple other international lists coming in there. I might do another healthy list. I'd really like to do a gluten-free list, but there's just, I couldn't do a top 10 because there's like, I don't know. There's one brand that has a healthy one that I really like, and then one that like has a huge, what do you call it? They ran so much PR, and the product ended up being like literally like rubber bands. It was like the soup flavor was great. They did good on that, but the product was just crap. And the there's a lot of people that do food reviews and stuff that really don't care either way. They're mainly in it for getting like Amazon affiliate commissions, and will spend money for the boosts on Facebook, on Twitter, and all that stuff. Push out one review and just say it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Well, this brand had a lot of stuff like that, and I've gotten a lot of comments because I'm like, dude, it's like rubber bands, it's horrible. And I've gotten a lot of people saying things like, wow, thank you for posting an honest review for this stuff, because I got it, and it was crap. I'm like, sorry to the company. I wish it wasn't. I'd like to give out 5 stars for everything. But, yeah, I'm not into that. It's like if a company makes a good product, they're going to get a good score. It's just how it works. But, yeah, so some things you'll see on the list that you'll agree with, some things you won't. Some things you might never have tried. That's the thing too. I can't try everything. I'd love to try everything, but in the end, it mostly has to do with being able to access it. Oh, I know what list I'll be doing. I'll be doing probably the new, I don't know, did that come out earlier this year? Maybe a new Indonesia list, because our friend from Australia, Ferengi, sent me so many varieties that I think that's a very good possibility, and there's a new one on the top 10, so let's do this. Alright, I am looking forward to trying this out. Hot und sauer. It's hot and it's sour. So generally, when you think hot and sour, a lot of the time, this is not like American Chinese food. This is gonna probably have black vinegar in it, which is really good stuff, and then probably a little bit of Szechuan pepper in some way, shape, or form to give it that hot The sour comes from black vinegar. The hot comes from a mala. Mala being usually a Szechuan pepper thing going on. Come on. Give it up. I want you all to get in there. Ooh, that smells good. I'm getting a sesame hit off of that. We will see. Yeah, I'll say they also make a fried bean paste one. I didn't like that one, but this smells really good. And I'd really like to get all this flavor out. I was noting that this is technically the 10th. This will be the 10th year of doing the Taiwanese top 10. And the reason for that is that in 2013 I did a top 10 global list, and then Apple Next Media, a news outlet in Taiwan, it was either the Taiwanese one or the Hong Kong one, because I work with both branches of that company. Unfortunately, the Hong Kong one, I think, is just like gone now, which is crummy. That should be okay to do, but you know. But yeah, let's look at this noodle. I want you to definitely see that it's definitely got a difference to it. Yeah, see? It's a little different, huh? Cheers, this looks good. Oh, wow. Nice little bit of heat. The sourness is a little muted, which is fine. This reminds me, if this was served cold, this would remind me of something I had on this in Taipei the last time I was there. Yeah, those are good. The chew on that noodle is really good. I don't know if it's because it's got that extra fin to it. It's not, you'd think, oh, Meteor noodle, that sounds gimmicky, but no, this is actually a really, really lovely thing. Come on. Come on now. Here, this might hurt a bit. I saw this cool new camera that's coming out soon. Probably will never be able to afford it. But, what is it? It's a Logitech streaming and content camera. Looks like they're gonna want like $400 for it. It's like, forget it. But it's on like a little monopod thing, and it looks just like super snazzy. And like really perfect for what I do in the kitchen here. Oh man, this is. And I was gonna use this on it. I don't know if I want to use this on it now because I got the tofu. I'll use both. I don't care. A little slice of pork. Too crazy on it, just a little crazy. And a bit of tofu. Jesus Christ. That's the second time it tried to fall into the sink. That's just fried tofu. And then, of course, fried egg. scallion. A splash of sesame seed. So the sauce on this one is definitely like a sesame paste, and with a little heat and just a tinge of sour. It's a really nice balance. It's very savory. As some of you would like to say, it's an umami experience. I don't know. I think that term is used way too much these days. Oh, it's just umami for days. Okay, whatever. Oh, that's hella good. I will give it that. And I don't say hella that much, or hecka, or any of that. But I'm not from California. But yeah, spin on that for a minute. Well, thanks for watching, and thanks to the folks over at Asha Dry Noodle down in California. They're a distributor for the big company over in Taiwan. This is off the hook. You can get it over at their website. I think it's ashadrynoodle.com. You can get it in the US, so that's what you know. And the next one is going to be their... Let's go! The braised beef one. So I'm going to try that next. It's probably already going to be posted. So if you look up Meteor Noodle Braised Beef on YouTube, on my channel, you'll find it. And as well, if you look on www.theramenraider.com. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. More people will be able to check this stuff out. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.